Good morning, tribe. Today's WOD is something you learned how to do in kindergarten. Just like most of CrossFit, it's stuff you learned as a kid. So the tools you're going to need to do the WOD are a pair of scissors, a pattern cut out from craftpassion.com, one pen or clip, and some 6 by 6 inch squares of fabric. Okay, your warm-up is to organize your squares of fabric based on how many, just like your chips, based on how many reps you think you're going to get in this AMRAP. It's an AMRAP, okay? So you put your squares of fabric, need 4 squares, and it needs to go face up, face down, face up, face down. Okay, so when you're ready to begin, when you have your little stacks here of fabric and you have your pair of scissors, and you have your pattern, you can start pinning your first one on. Okay, so the WOD goes like this. Scaled is, are you ready? You got this? 3 air squats to depth. Whoops, let me move over here. If Sally and I can get depth, by the way, all of you guys. And so I'm going to leave it up to you to whether or not you're going to call yourself out if you don't get depth. So 3 air squats. 1, 2, 3. Not sure that was the depth. Okay. So you pin your pattern on one of your stacks and then you cut out. Learn how to do this in kindergarten, guys. You know, isn't it amazing how...
Not with pointy scissors, though. You had safety scissors back then.
Well, and you're not running with these scissors, and I also don't think you should squat with these scissors. Okay, so that's 1 rep. Now pin on your next thing. And by the way, RX is 5 air squats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, cut out a pattern. See, CrossFit's all about functional fitness, so we're putting this to absolute functional fitness test of all time. So you'll be fit and you'll be doing society a good favor. So you're next. Now, don't know whether I can do this or not, guys, because this is RX plus. This is for people like Dem and Sarah and the other macho people. Whoops, I think I made a mistake here. If I did. So the fabric has to be face up, face down, pin this on. Okay, so RX plus, holding your scissors very careful. Maybe not. Okay, maybe on your last one. Okay, RX plus is the 5. We just have done 5 air squats, okay? And now we're gonna cut out our pattern in the squat. Piece of cake, right, Dem? Right, Sarah? You got this. You have to pick up your pattern fabric. All right, there you have it. Today's WOD is AMRAP 20 minutes, 3 air squats, cut. That's scaled. RX, 5 air squats, cut. RX plus, 5 air squats, cutting in, holding the bottom of the squat.
Do you set up 5 of those patterns together before you do all your thing? And
That's your warm-up. That's your warm-up. Now, your cool down is to put these together kind of like that and send us a text and we'll figure out how to pick them up or have you deliver them here for final sewing. These are really needed. Bay Medical has called for more. Every healthcare provider and everybody now that the CDC is recommending you wear a face mask. So AMRAP 20 minutes, squat, cut, squat, cut. You got this, guys.